In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Amazon delivery address not working or wrong address bug. Let's get started. First, launch the Amazon app or website and go to your account settings. Navigate to addresses. Carefully review the address that's causing the problem. Make sure all details are entered correctly, including your street name, apartment number, city, postal code, and phone number. Even a small typo can cause Amazon to reject or misidentify an address. Next, try deleting the problematic address and adding it again manually. Sometimes saved address data becomes corrupted, and creating a fresh entry resolves the issue immediately. After re-entering the address, set it as your default delivery location if that's where you want future orders sent. If Amazon keeps showing the wrong address during checkout, check whether you have multiple saved addresses. Select the correct address manually before placing your order and remove any outdated or duplicate addresses that could be causing confusion. Another common issue is regional delivery restrictions. Some products cannot be shipped to certain locations. If Amazon says your address is not supported, try choosing a different seller, delivery method, or nearby pickup location if available. Next, you can log out and log in back to your account. This will refresh your login session, and this might also resolve the issue. If you are using a browser, clear your cache and cookies, then reload Amazon and try again. Browser-related issues can sometimes cause address information to display incorrectly. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Amazon customer support directly. They can verify whether there are account-specific issues, address validation problems, or delivery restrictions affecting your location. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.